Hello guys, we are again starting our analysis on silver the daily time frame. What we can see from the silver charts is that at the moment we are currently into a very big range over here. From the last 10 days we are keep on arranging in that area over here and we cannot pick a direction that the price wants to move into. At the moment the only PT area which is consistently respected is that volume imbalance over here, which is acting as a strong support for the price, and we are failing to invert it at the moment and push above it. So in here, the silver for me at the moment does not have a clear structure, and that means that I won't be trading it until we have a better structure. Like we can see, the 4-hour time frame is the same thing. We keep pushing to the upside, then rejecting, pushing to the upside, then rejecting, pushing to the upside, then rejecting. We are not respecting PDRs which are printed not either the bearish ones, not bullish ones. So at the moment we just don't have a clear structure that we can trade. So for tomorrow, for today, I just won't look for anything here on silver charts. Gold on the daily time frame is in the same situation as on silver. The only difference is that we've made a closure above the volume imbalance with that candle over here, and since then we're ranging to the zone. We are respecting the volume imbalance and we just don't have a structure to either side. We made a push to the upside and then we instantly reject. So from here now, we just won't be looking for anything for our time frame here. We started to make a structure, push to the upside, retrace into that fair value gap, another push to the upside. That fair value gap here should have acted as support or at least that order book. Everything failed and the price keep on pushing to the downside. We held the low. Now we are falling, push to the upside. Just in here, we don't have a clear structure, either on the daily, either on the 4-hour time frame. We just don't have a structure to be sure that the price wants to push to the upside or to the downside. From that structure over here, we can either see a push to those lows or a push to those equal highs. So we're leaving it behind and we're gonna check out on it tomorrow again to see if the price wants to give us some more structure that we can use for some trades. Euro on the other half, we are making a very interesting structure over here. Friday was a very big drop to the downside, which ended up as a very nice candle which closed with a nice wick to the downside and a bullish body. So at the moment we are still respecting the zones on the daily time frame and we are looking for bullish price action. The 4-hour time frame, what we can see over here is that fair value gap here which was inverted, which is aligned with that fair value gap here, are acting as a very nice support for the price. We had that aggressive push to the downside, testing the order block, testing that fair value gap here, and closing into that fair value gap, which means that the price wants to keep on pushing to the upside. At the moment, we're currently trading into that zone over here, which is another 4-hour fair value gap, which is acting as a support at the moment. So from here on, I will be looking for some kind of a bullish position with our targets all the way into that zone over here. Maybe the extreme of that fair order block starts as well. So somewhere around there will be our target for today. The hour time frame, what we can see on the hour time frame is that we've swept the Asia session lows. We have all those lows over here. The only thing that is missing here is that that candle low was taken out by pound. So at the moment we have kind of an S&T that we can use, and we are currently trading into that fair value gap here. So I will be looking for interesting structure if we can get on the 15-minute time frame over here, some explosive move to the upside, making a market structure shift with a fair value gap, which to be retraced and then move to the upside, with the idea for the position to be something like that, to be our position. If we sweep those lows, then we just won't look for trades until New York Open. With New York Open, we will be looking for an S&T below Asia session, or below London lows. Pound on the daily time frame, same exact thing. Very nice structure over here. we pushed the downside very aggressively on Friday. We've tested that inverted fair value gap here on the daily, and from there we made a very nice reaction to the upside, closing candle with a nice wick and a bullish body. We've also respected that inverted fair value gap here, so at the moment we are currently looking for a very nice bullish structure. The 4-hour as well make a drop to the downside as a retracement, tested that fair value gap, respected it perfectly, and made very aggressive reaction from it. Here the price is a little bit not that great, since that fair value gap is already inverted with that candle over here, but we still have lots of PDRLs like that fair value order block, the big fair value gap here on the 4-hour time frame. So at the moment we are currently looking for bullish price action with pound to be our manipulation for the day, since as we can see we've kept everything. We've also taken out that low, which on a euro is still unexpected. So at the moment I'll be using pound just as manipulation, and I'm going to be very careful looking for that trade on euro. I will wait for a very nice reaction to the upside to occur, so I can look for anything over here. That will be it for today, guys. Looking for bullish price action mainly on euro with pound for manipulation, and we're looking for silver and gold to give us some structure, hopefully today, so we can trade them in the next days. That will be all.